Alright, welcome to this video. In this video I'll try to pick a challenge lock from Keymaster. It is an ABIS Euro cylinder. It works well. I'm gonna try to pick this guy. Number 1, nothing. 2, 3, nothing. And 4, definitely one. Got a little click out of 4. Oh, another click out of 4. So I got 2 little clicks out of pin number 4. And 5 gave me a little something, but I have to admit I had to force it. Then number 2 gave me a little something. Wow, what I'm getting here isn't much. It's just very, very tiny clicks. So 1, 2, nothing. 3 gave me a loud click, but nothing moved. Oh, there you go. Now I got a good false set. And pin number 1 gave me a counter rotation, and I managed to set it. Now I don't have any counter rotation anymore. I'm just gonna get a pick that's a little thicker. Number 1 again. So number 1 actually gave me two good counter rotation there to finally get it open. So we are open. All right. Now let's try to see if we can get this guy gutted. Let's see what's inside. I have the key, so I'm going to lock it back up. And now these are the bendy clips. This will need to be shimmed because there's quite a bit of groove right off the tailpiece there. Okay, this is not the best shim. Okay, shim went all the way in. Lots of action on the key pins right there, especially number 2. Number 1 is a standard key pin. Number 2 has a very spoolish tip. Same thing with number 3, number 4 as well, and number 5 is standard. So so what we got in there? We got threading in 4 and 3 and 4, half threading. Let's see what's on top. So I've got a really fine Christmas tree. Number 1. Let me get the shim out. It's going to help. Spring is stuck. Okay. Then number 3 is serrated. Wildly serrated. Number 5, and that's number, I think it was that way, yep. And the springs are just stuck in there. That was number 6. That was 5. Go. Let's see if we got something special inside. Bible. Nope, I don't see any threading on top. So here we have it. So we got standard keep in right there with some sort of a Christmas tree there. It looks like a vase. We got something like an asa barrel spool right there with a spool keep in. So that thing must have caused all the overset that I got. This one is a wildly serrated bottom of the keep in there with a lightly spooled keep in. A few serrations on top, a few serrations at the bottom that will hang. So basically 3 and 4 had the threading, so definitely suited for this kind of pin there. And this one seemed like it took a beating. Probably still effective, and all the same type of springs on top. So there we go. So that was number 3.1, Mr. Keymaster. Thank you very much for this lock, and you guys, thanks for watching.